Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can add your spoken language on your Facebook dating profile. Maybe you want to date someone who shares the same language with you. So today, I am going to show you on how you can add your spoken language on your Facebook dating profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then what you'll need to do is to tap on this heart button icon to go to your Facebook dating. Once you are in here, simply tap on this profile for you to go to your Facebook dating profile. And then in here, you simply need to scroll down and you will see in here, add language you spoken. In here, simply tap on this drop down button. And then in here, simply select the languages you speak. For example, English, and then Filipino. After that, tap on the Save button. There you go. I just add languages I spoken on my Facebook dating profile. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add your languages spoken on your dating profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add your languages spoken on your dating profile on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.